Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to become a school planner app tester. Just open the app, wait a little bit, and then find the settings at the bottom of the page in the left corner. Scroll down and you will find this Become a Tester button. Tap on it and click on OK. Then they will take you to the site of it and you will have to confirm it again. So let's become a tester, and then that's basically it. I hope it will be useful for you.